He will fuck you up.
Really, Carrie? Really? No, it's okay. I just be dumbass. What is it? How much I owe you now?
Zero. Nothing.
You're fucking right. I told you to go fuck yourself. I'll come for breakfast. Fuck you too, asshole.
Oh, Jesus Christ! The fuck, man?
Oh, I would never put myself in that situation.
Turning it around.
Turning it around? Is that what you think is going on there? Really? Turning it around? Really?
Turn it off.
You chose her.
Is that a question? Fucking drive. Shit. Motherfucker.
Quinn!
Like you've never seen a dick before. Why didn't you tell me just what it is you're doing in there? You were fucking him, huh? Because to me it looks like you're fucking a child. Okay then, Joy. Alright.
Shut the fuck up.
Well, he must have done something. Lost a line somewhere.
Quinn.
What's
I'm not getting any better. Can't you get that through your fucking skull?
That's when you have to keep trying, because that's when breakthroughs happen.
Fucking moto shit.
Oh, fucking
I'm just saying, he did to me what he did to you. I'd fucking rip his skin off.
I can't just sit here and watch you die. And fuck off somewhere else.
please.
Stop moving, Carrie. Pretty shitty music.